I want everyone. I want everyone to know that I just want to show. I want to show the smiles from my heart. I want to find the way to hold the person that I need to do it so I don't have to part. I just keep on going on and on throughout day and day. I just don't know what else I have to say. My life feels broken, like it's not all together. Like a puzzle, there are pieces are missing. Am I scared? Am I scared of what's gonna come? Am I scared? Am I scared? I just don't wanna go home. Why do I just got to find the woman that would make me feel alive inside. I just need to find the courage inside and let my dreams come throughout the window. And I got to find the one inside, the one person that has to always let us go. And I just don't know why. I just don't know why anymore. I just don't know why. Why do I always have to adore? I just have to fight for my right to live. I just have to fight for my right to live today now. I just have to search, I have to run, I have to go, avoid the gun, I have to run, I have to climb, I have to go, I have to not leave my friends behind. I need to find that light inside my heart that's hold down deep inside. The darkness is keeping it in a cage. It just wants to be free and on the outside. I need to free the light. I need you now to hold my soul. I need you right now, so why won't you just won't let me go home? Will you be there? Will you be there? Will you be okay? Will you tell me that it's gonna be okay? Do I have to believe throughout my life? Do I have to believe that I won't turn to the... No, don't say it. No. I don't want to know. I don't want to see. I just want to be the person who me. I want to be me. I want to be me now. I want to be me. I want to save the town. So I say, yo, 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 you know who I am. No, no, no. Wait. I gotta get in the mood. I'm gonna rap my rap. Because I just feel like it, and I am waiting for my Minecraft world to copy, so takes a long fucking time to copy, so I'm singing. I got Surge, I got Teddy, I got Willow, I got Jackie, I got Halo, I got Minecraft, I got Mountain Dew, I got Flash t-shirt. I got everything, so I'm gonna rap my rap. Actually, no. Alright. Yo, 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 you know who I am. If you do not know, listen to the jam. I am the fuzzy of the night, the brand of the day. Breaking my blog in Rochester, I say, yo, you may know me from blog to blog. Others from Yoma, that's not too long ago. Girl, can you see? Now your mom's gonna protect you against me. I was a bagger back in the day at the Hollywood. Bagging bags. Saying paper, plastic. She was crazy. She was crazy and I was Maisie, but I'm not Maisie. My voice may sound fuzzy, but I'm no fuzzy bunny. I am the rubber on your soul and your soul in your shoe. I'll stick right by you. So, as you can see, I can't rhyme for crap. I just rhyme the rhyme on the time with a dime. Oh fuck, that's a mouse trap. So, fuzzy of the night, brand of the day. Fuzzy of the night, I'm here to stay. I'm here to stay. So, I'm here to stay. Fuzzy of the night. Fuzzy of the night, brand of the day. Fuzzy of the night, I'm here to stay. And girl, 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 you better know I'm like a pancake. I will flip on your bitch. I will flip on you. I will flip a pancake on you. I will do everything to I do impersonations. Impersonations. Yeah. I also can do a really high-pitched voice, so I can flip on you. Oh my god. Listen, my voice was super high-pitched. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why do I do shit like this? Oh my god. Teddy is being a teddy. So, I'm in my Minecraft world now. Interesting fucking video. So, girl, I'm like a pancake. I will flip on you. Turn off.